Hello guys, welcome to Electronic Experience. In this project, we are going to control motor direction and speed with L298 and joystick with Arduino. So let's start and test our project for first time. Okay, if I y-axis down, you see speed is increase and stop. And in the next level, in the opposite direction, is going to increasing and decreasing. So I'm gonna tell you what part we use in this project. So part we use in this project, one of them is L298 motor driver. Actually it's a H-bridge driver, so we can control our motor direction with it and speed. Next one is Arduino. We can use Arduino Uno, Nano, and Mega. I use Arduino Uno SMD package, and actually you can use all of Arduino board. Next one is DC motor, and it's well a joystick model, some jumper wire, breadboard, two battery, 18650 with battery holder, and it's done. Our part is up. Next step, I'm going to connecting the wires to joystick, to Arduino, and DC motor to L298 motor driver. So let's start. So our circuit is done. I'm going to explain you how our circuit is including. So I'm going to connect the right of L298 driver motor to pin 2 and 4 Arduino digital pin, and the enable driver motor to pin 3 because that pin has a PW. That pin has PW, and it's gonna this pin can enable increasing and decreasing speed. And next level, we're gonna connecting the joystick module to Arduino. So this is a 5-volt pin connected to Arduino, ground, and Y, or you can declare it as X, access to Arduino pin A0. And this is our GND or ground from L298 driver motor. So next part, I'm going to explain you how this code is run. So in this part, I'm going to explain you how this project code is going to. First one, we declare our pins, and y-axis pin declare as A0, motor pin 1 and motor pin 2 declare as pin 2 and 4, motor speed pin going to enable pin to driver is declared as pin 3 of Arduino. We have two speed 1 and speed and for controlling our speed and direction. In next step, we have voice, voice setup, and in this part where we have particular on pin mode, motor pin, one motor pin, two and motor speed declare as output and Y declare as input. And we have our serial baud rate 9600. And this part we have with loop, our with loop. And we have this variable variable and on a loop read our Y variable from in A0 and serial print our variable. I'm gonna show you how it's actually going. So sprint E because I didn't upload new code. So as you can see, if I move it, joystick is gonna be move our variable. So the next level we have three conditions with if function. Our one condition in the one of them condition we have y greater than 507. We have our direction motor, and we have the speed using map function to increase our speed, and on a loop right our motor speed in with speed to increase our motor speed. In number two we have y-axis smaller than 500, and our direction is opposite of the one our if. So we have speed one map function for this part, and the end of our part is else, or the end if our y-axis is 507, our motor in the middle, our motor is gonna be stop in the middle. So I'm explaining you the code, see the our end of project. And this is our end. So let's test. As you can see, the speed is increasing to the maximum level and decreasing. And don't forget the direction. So the opposite direction, increasing speed to the maximum level and the lowest level. And our project is done. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.